Do you know what it is that causes me to ponder? If you could just press a button and see a video, would you? And then get compensated for it? So what if you might get compensated once again for merely like or commenting on videos? What if you were able to do all of these tasks with relative ease? You might earn real money online by using your smartphone for just a few minutes every day, many times per week. Did I mention you could quickly withdraw the money through PayPal? What's even better? What if you could just have the money sent to your bank account? Do you want it in cryptocurrency? Wouldn't it be really fantastic? Today, I'm going to show you a website that is just getting started and that only a small number of people are aware of. And I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you may join up for nothing. Do not be concerned about your location in the globe, since this website does not have any country-specific limitations. If you stay with me all the way to the finish, I'll even offer you a unique bonus tip that will allow you to earn some more money without having to do any additional effort. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? Keep your eyes peeled for the remainder of this video and pay careful attention to what I'm going to be talking about. To begin, I don't want you to miss anything vital since this is a fresh new website, and its name is Xereclime. Please pay attention. On this website, you can see that there are 5 various ways to generate money, which you can learn more about here. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to use the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? The first method is to go through websites, videos, and advertisements. The next step is to engage social media. So it includes things like viewing videos, like them, sharing them, and perhaps even commenting on them. Aside from that, you may leave comments and reviews. If surveys are your thing, you can even participate in them. Personally, I believe that this is the most appropriate way for novices. Don't forget that I'll be sharing some advice with you later on in the video if you're interested, so please bear with me. Allow me to show you the home page for a moment. Remember, you can use this approach on any device, whether it's a laptop or a computer or a mobile phone or a tablet, and you can be certain that it will work in any country in the globe, including your home. Consequently, if you follow along, you will almost certainly earn a lot of money. You also won't have to spend any money in order for this to work either. There is no need for money or investment. So allow me to demonstrate how this really works. First and foremost, you must decide on a way of making money. Take a look at this website. There are truly a plethora of opportunities to make money on it. You have the ability to choose from any of these alternatives. As you can see, there are 5 excellent techniques to choose from. The next step is to begin working on the projects you've selected. The money is then delivered to you each and every time you hit a certain threshold. In fact, you might be paid every 24 hours if you use this way of collecting payments. So how does it sound to you? Do you agree? If that's the case, let's get started on the registration process. Now, if you want to create a free account, all you have to do is click on the registration button. It will take you to the next page, where you can view many choices for creating a new account. Use your Google or Microsoft account to sign up for the service. To start from scratch, just enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields on this page. You will now be sent to the next page after clicking the Next button. This is your dashboard, and it is from here that you will be able to view your projected profits. Due to the fact that this is a new account, you will begin with $0 in your balance, due to the fact that you have not performed any jobs, but don't worry, once you start earning money, it will simply appear at the top of your dashboard. As soon as you've completed the necessary steps to properly configure your account, you'll need to check your email inbox for an email that contains a verification link that will allow you to complete the process. As a result, your account will be completely set up and active, allowing you to begin earning money right now. Returning to your dashboard now, you may choose your preferred way of earning from this page. You may view all of the ways that I demonstrated earlier in the video on this section of the website. Check out the first option, which is to browse through websites, videos, and advertisements. By just clicking on this green Earn button on this page, you will be transported to the next page, where you may finally begin surfing ads in order to start earning money right now. Once again, when you click on Earn, a pop-up window will appear. Once again, it makes no difference whatever device you're using, be it your computer, phone, or tablet, and concentrate on what you have to accomplish. Assuming you have visited the website for the specified period of time, make sure you don't simply remain in one location. You'll be able to demonstrate that you're a real human being doing the activities, rather than a robot intended to just sit there and do nothing. When the countdown expires, the money will be credited to your account in full. That is all there is to it. Now, allow me to demonstrate what occurs when you start from scratch. You may be sent to random YouTube videos from time to time. To view the videos this time, all you have to do is hit play and begin watching it for as long as the timer says. Keep in mind, though, that you cannot halt the film before the timer expires, because if you do, you will not be reimbursed for your money. Now it's time to move on. Consider the next option, which is to leave interactions on social media platforms for a moment. Once again, click on the earning button to access your account. You'll be able to post comments on several social networking sites, including Facebook and Twitter. Here on YouTube, Instagram, and YouTube, you may view videos and subscribe to channels that you find interesting. On Instagram, you may like posts and follow accounts that you find interesting. All of these jobs are really basic and straightforward, and almost anybody can do them with little or no prior knowledge. All you have to do is click a few times here and there to be rewarded. I'll give you an example here by showing you how to view a YouTube video. Simply click on the play button, begin watching the video, and wait until the timer has finished counting down to 0. Here's a tip. By using the gear button and selecting the lowest video quality preset, you can save time and money. Additionally, you may speed up the loading and playing of the movie while saving on data use at the same time. The second method of earning money with this website is as follows. There's more to it than that. Establishing accounts and subscribing to newsletters are always to learn money online. You may also get money by leaving comments or reviews, doing surveys, and creating accounts. Additionally, you may download this app onto your Android or Apple smartphone to do chores and earn money while on the road. And now for the additional tip that I've been teasing you with for the last several minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience, however, Zareclamy does have a referral program. You may use this page to invite or recommend friends to the website, and you will get a fee of 12%. All that is required of you to copy your unique referral link from this page and distribute it to others. But wait, there's more. I've got another extra tip in store for you. With the help of this website, you may make an additional few bucks. Coinbase.com is the domain name for this one. On this site, you'll see that there is a button that reads Earn Crypto. Click on that icon to learn more. I want you to click on it, and you'll be taken to the next page where you can earn cryptocurrency while also learning more about cryptocurrency trading. Simply said, you'll need to watch these training videos to understand it. In addition, you will get compensated for each video you watch. Take a look at the amount of money they're willing to give you for each video. It's amazing. I'll lead you through the process in a few minutes. Consider the following course as an example. Simply click on the Start Course button and you will be sent to the next page. When we scroll down, we can see that all of the lessons have been split down into digestible films, each of which is just a few of minutes in duration. In addition, you will be compensated for merely watching these movies. See this page for further information. Take a look at this video. It'll only take little time and you'll be able to make money. If you continue to view videos, the money will accumulate. You may even refer your friends to this website and you'll be paid $40 for each referral. When you finish the course, you can simply go back and complete more courses, allowing you to continue to make money in this manner over and over again. It is a straightforward process. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. And while you're here, click to watch one of these 2 videos appearing on your screen right now. I'll see you there. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.